And I found my hit. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. Give me 1 second here. As usual, I'm discombobulated. Okay. So let's look at the markets overnight. And good morning, Sid. Good morning, Steve. How are you guys today? 50.87 was our low in ES. 51.02 was our high. So about 15 points in range. NQ, our low. 17.922, our high. 18.005. So 83 points in range. Copper coming down, down, down. About 100 ticks in range. Gold kind of flat. About 8 points in range. Ultra bond just under a point in range. Let me know if I need to post that Facebook link back up. I will. Crude oil looks like it's down about 80 ticks, and Bitcoin sitting around 15.2. That's where we sit standard. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this. Some great Monday morning news this morning. Not a lot at all. We have. Please hold. Only thing we have this morning is at 10 o'clock U.S. new home sales. That's it. At 10:30, Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. That would be it. So it could be a choppy Monday morning. We shall see. We're watching. The NQ's kind of coming down. It has been like its low, recent low was 17,975 back there. It's about ready to hit that again. Let's see what it does. You'd see this has been, if you look on our 1 minute chart, this is kind of a wall. Came down earlier, came down to this level, and boom, boom, it keeps knocking its head here. 975, 975, 975 quarter, 976, 976, 975 half. So right here is resistance. see that the 100 EMA on the 5-minute chart is also sitting. Actually, both EMAs, 100 and 200, are sitting here. Ooh, quick burst through. Can it hold? Bounces back up. Bounces back above that level. Nice bounce. And look at that bounce back up. So it got down to 971. Quick bounce back up to 981. Now it's getting back up to that EMA. Let's see if we can break through there. Previous high here a couple minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago, was 985. Just kind of touched through there. Struggling there as well. Taking a long, shooting for it's going to shoot for here. Well, we'll just shoot for 5 points right now. See if we can get it. Struggling at 988. Let's see if it can burst. Nope, doesn't seem like it wants to. It's like, I don't wanna go any further. Come on, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna. Come on, let's get through 88, just up to 90, y'all. I just want 90 here. Morning, Micah. How are you? How was your weekend? There we go. Target hit. Our first win of the day there. Quick $100 on that nice move up. Of course, reminder, if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream today, Score that like button. Let YouTube know you really like the channel. Morning, JC. Thank you. How are you doing? Well, my weekend was all right. Did some charting, did some sleeping. Actually slept 11 hours Friday night and into Saturday. Yeah, yes, I did. I mean, I run on like 5 hours a day during the week, and then I catch up on the weekends. See, the other indices made that same move up. Except for the Russell. Russell's coming down. Ultraviolet opens here in about 9 minutes. Looks like we could have stayed in. It's still heading up. It's 92. I got it at 90, so it's not like it's bursting up, but yeah. And now it's bursting up. Yep. Trying to get back up to 18,000. Just got through that resistance. I was going to put my target at that area here. But I didn't. Would have been a better target. Would have got a few more points, but that's okay. That would have been good right there. Let's see. Our high, what did I say our high was? 18,005. So we're only about 10 points off the high. Yep. I got to kill that Bulenox. Hold on. That Bulenox sale is not still active. Sorry about that. Nice move here. Up to 7,995. Just imagining Sid now running around a huge yard there chasing chickens. So this is a nice move up here. Ended up, you can see here on the one, we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 straight green candles. Topstep has announced that tomorrow and Thursday they're going to be giving away 1,000 more accounts each day. Well, not giving away. You'll be able to get a okay. Yeah. They'll be launching a sign-up form, and then 1,000 people will be randomly picked to be able to buy Topstep X accounts at $4.50. I hate driving. Even when I had two legs, driving was almost always nerve-wracking for me. I mean, it, actual driving, I love like riding in a car. Doing the actual driving, nothing. Came down, curled right back up, trying to break through. Break on through to the other side. Oh, it does. We're going to go long again here. Looking for another 5 points. I'm thinking it wants to burst up to 800. I'm in at 97, so I might only go for 3 points. See what happens. If not, I just get back what I just gained. So I did this because it pulled back and then got above the high there. High there was 96.25. I'm in at 97. My dream vacation or whatever you call it would be to visit all 30 major league ballparks and Cooperstown. This got within one tick of my target. My target's 802. Actually, it hit my target, but did not fill me. Come on, give it to me, baby. There we go. Target hit. Second winner of the morning. Thank you, Micah. Yeah. Morning, Crypticon. How was your weekend? Yeah, that would be my dream. Throw in some minor league parks along the way as well. But doing something like that, well, you almost need like a motorhome or something like that. I could never drive a motorhome. I haven't been to a Major League Baseball game since 1988. I need to get my mobility back first and figure things out after that. And finances, of course. Let's try to get to the overnight highs of 18,005. There's a break of the high overnight. Oh, whoosh. So it breaks through the overnight high and then whooshes up to 1810. 18,010. All right. I have to stop preparing myself to CFT. CFT launched a giveaway, by the way, for Take Profit Trader. If anybody's interested, I'll post the link for that. He's giving away 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. But my giveaway for Blue Sky in like 5-6 days has gotten 757 entries. His giveaway in 20 minutes has gotten 441. Falls back here a little bit. Pulls back here. I, I do encourage people to uh, talk about that as well, and we need to do more for that. I agree. I mean, I want to see people have hope, and I want to see people uh, see that success is possible. But it's also why I mean, and the thing is, the people in this in here, they do, when Ace has a red day, he admits it or he takes a bad trade. RJ admits it easily. You, JC, admit it easily. Chase admits it. It's happens a lot in here. It needs to happen more on the Discord, and I will. It's something I want to work on. I don't ever want to be like one of these where it's just all rah rah. I want to show both sides of trading. Now, everybody that's been with me for 2 years has seen me how many, easy for me to say, all the struggles I've had. So, and obviously I don't hide those. Yeah, we'll get, it's something, we're working on. I'm working on it. It's all, all on the to-do list what I really want also, I have a spot in there that maybe I just need to rename. What is it? Show your trades, show your winners. Oh, yeah, it's called Show Your Winners. So I need to change that to Show Your Trades. What I love is I love volunteers for people to, take a screenshot of a trade they took, winner or loser, and preferably both. Like pick one winner, one loser. Say why you took it, and if it were, why you entered there, where you exited, and why. And then for the same thing for a loser, was there something, if it was a loser, did it just not work out? Or was it something you didn't follow your plan? Be totally honest. And I need people, I just need, a small group of people, and myself included. I need to start doing it as well. But in a small group of people that's committed to do that, that will then maybe cause some more rollover effect that other people will do it, if that makes sense. No, I agree, JC. It's been something that I've been, wanting to do, and I also, I said on Friday, I think that we need to get more trading back into MightyOxTrading. In the fact that, except for the live streams, my channels become my channel and socials have become more about prop firm discounts than anything else, and while that's caused me to finally be on a good financial footing, I don't want MightyOxTrading to just be a prop firm discount channel. I want it to be about trading as well. So, you know, I just need a small group of people that are willing to try to help me because I can't do it myself. I mean, yeah, if I post my win or my loss, that's okay, but I need a small group of people that are willing to help with that. They maybe get that started. So, like I say, it kind of snowballs. Other people will do that too. Hey, John, how was your weekend? I totally agree with you. And I want Mighty Ox Trade to be more than just, you know, prop prop firm stuff. I want it to be some trading stuff as well. I want it to, and yeah, I want it to be a resource for prop traders as well. Obviously, I want to do the reviews and all that, but it should also be about my own trading journey. Ooh, back up to our top here. They're going to blow up through 18,011. It does. I didn't have my chart ready. I'm not going to take that now. If I did it at 11, I would have taken it for 5, but too late. I will. I'm going to work on that. We'll see. RJ uses Discord, and he'll be a great one. I wonder if I can get. He doesn't come on the Discord often, so um, I'll see if. But he'll be a good one because he likes explaining what he does. That makes sense, John. I don't think you're going to see 90% again for a while, but I think the 80% is going to keep coming back. So that's still a pretty good deal for whatever you decide, whenever you decide. Moving on up. Everything's happy right now. Ultra Bond was a little sad, but it's trying to pop back up. Gold running. Crude's popping. For those of you who did not get in on the first round of $4.50 Topstep X accounts, if anybody's interested, they're going to be doing that again Tuesday and Thursday. 1,000 more people each day, apparently. They're insane. Still going. So high from Friday, which was the all-time highs. On ES, 51.23 half. That's still about 19 points away on NQ. AT 144.75, so still about 144 points away. Yeah, we could try that. Definitely could try that. Yeah, we definitely want to get more trading on MightyOxTrading. I don't want to just be MightyOx prop firms. Although I don't want to take the foot off that either, because like I said, uh, that's got me where I can relax in my trading in the fact that my finances are finally in a good spot. Honestly, John, I mean, I know you like the idea of like trading when you're not able to trade, but I think you do a great enough job trading yourself, John, that I don't think you need an algo. I mean, you have a red day every now and then, but you're very consistent. You seem to be following your rules well, and you just need a little confidence of sizing up, or if you want to do Apex, you don't even need to size up. You just get the copier and trade one or two contracts on start off with 5 accounts and then increase to 10 or whatever. You seem to do a great job trading without an algo. And I mean, it seems like you you're gonna want to watch the algo anyway. So it's not like I don't think you're gonna ever feel comfortable running it like when you're sleeping. So I mean I don't think you need an algo. I think you're doing very well without it. And Blue Sky doesn't like to do deep discounts, but I have a feeling a 40 or 50% would come back in March. But that's probably the best they can do. I have thought about splitting off like Twitter at least, X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, to maybe a second account where one is just trading stuff and one is more prop firm discount related. The Discord's easy to try and get fixed up because we can have different channels for different stuff. Still heading up, straight up. So I was in twice on this move up. Uh, Once from 785 to 790, and then once from 797 to 802. Dow straight up. So NQ blows through the highs of the day. Let's see how high it can go. Can it take us higher? All right, speaking of blue sky, we are doing that giveaway. If I can find my software there. Couple more days to enter. We'll be announcing it on Thursday, Leap Day. Maybe you can leap into a Static Growth Plus account. Nightbot just posted the link. We have about 750 entries. And the thing is, I think, JC, I think everybody does at times. No matter, even the best traders have a day they're like, what the heck did I do? We're still heading up here. There was a blue candle 3 candles ago that I should have grabbed. Right, we're good. Yep, I did the same. I got 5 points twice. But you can, if you look at the 1 minute chart here, blue candle, blue candle, blue candle, these would have all worked. This was the start of it right here. Boom. 84 all the way up to 28. So it could have been a 40-point run. Maybe finding a top here. We'll see. Ultra Bond with a nice move up. See, everything's kind of moving on up to the deluxe apartment in the sky. Knocking things off my desk. I want to thank everyone for being here today. If you're new, please feel free to join us in the chat. Or if you're old and haven't joined us in the chat, please feel free. Questions and comments are always welcome. Hey, Paul, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Pulling a slight pullback here. Our high was 18,028. About 45 minutes to the bell. So, Paul, since I'm nosy, I always like to ask new people questions. How long have you been trading? Do you trade your own money or do you trade with prop firms? And what's your favorite asset to trade? But don't feel the need to answer anything. You can just tell me to shut up and mind my own business and be quiet. It happens more than you know. Well, I have pulled back by almost 10 points here. See if it bounces. Awesome. Did you trade other stuff before futures? Yep, just take it slow and steady. Use micros. Even I know Topstep doesn't have the micros the way they should be, but start off with micros and okay. I heard there's some, even some Americans like to trade the DAX as well. Uh, so you're aware, Paul, that there are a couple other prop firms. Topstep isn't one of them, but there are some other prop firms that does have the DAX. Ah, okay. I know that feeling. I get up at 6 a.m. every morning. Kind of stalled here around 18,017. I never used to be a morning person, but somehow I've become one. Still sleep in till like 11 o'clock on the weekend. This Saturday I slept till noon. I did not mean to sleep till noon. I just kind of did. Long at 05. 2 ticks. It's kind of small for you, isn't it, JC? Nice move down here. We're going to take this purple. We're short at 14.5. Well, Topstep's my number one. Blue Sky, Apex, Bulenox will be my next three. And after that, it's kind of muddled. Doesn't seem to want to break for me here. Ah, yeah, it's bouncing on me. They didn't let you in yet, did they, JC? Spiking down, but not able to hold down here. Got down to 11 quarter. This one got down to 12 half. All right, good luck, JC. Here it comes. Back down to 12. Come on, break down. Looking for 9 half. 180950. 18000950. Whatever it is I'm trying to say. Anyway, Paul, if you have any questions, this is a great room. A lot of people like to share knowledge and all. So if you have any questions along your journey, people in here will be happy to help. Chave. Uh, the blue is a bullish engulfing, and the purple is a bearish engulfing. And then, of course, red and green are just regular uh, regular candles up and down. You're welcome. I do not like this price action. I do not like it, Sam. I am. Chop City, USA. There we go. Come on. Oop, oop. Dang. Shot down, shot right back up. They're really fighting around this level. That, yep, looks like the fight's over. Maybe not. It's about to stop me out. There we go. Stop that. So our first loss of the morning. So just could not get through that level there. You can see, took the short off that purple, and it just kept fighting and fighting and couldn't. Yeah, the Phillies won 14-12 on Saturday and 4-0 yesterday. You see Bellinger's finally signed? And right back down. So it stopped me out and then came back down. Stopped out at 1775 and only went one more tick. And now look at that. Yep, staying with the Cubbies. 3 years, 80 million, but he has opt outs after the first year and the second year. Top of the hour. Crude oil opens. Still not be able to break through that downside wall. Yeah, it's just sitting there, isn't it? Crude oil bouncing up. It's all right, JC. Russell's leveled out, and look at NQ just not be able to. This is the lowest it got, was 11 quarter. It just hit 11 quarter again and just leave it in this 5-point range for the, or 7-point range for the last 10 minutes or so. Still feels like it wants to break to the downside, but yeah. Nope. Again, got down to, well, this time 11 even. We're just going to stay out. We got about 25 minutes till the bell. Now it finally broke down to 09 at least. That would have been my original. That was my original profit target. So it stopped me up by one tick, and then it would have eventually hit my profit. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I keep telling myself that it's okay. Good morning, Ace. How was your weekend? I'm doing all right. There's the burst down. Finally broke the wall. And the wall comes tumbling down, you know, wall. Remember, folks, we have a second stream today of this evening, Asia session. Excuse me, I don't lose my voice. 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time. 2 hours of hot Asia trading action. All right. Ace is short. I should have went short off that purple candle as well, but I didn't. Should I missed two purple candles there? Where's my brain? My brain. We'll get the next one. While they were cheap, I did pick up a Bulenox Eval. It's my first Bulenox ever. See how that goes. I do not have a Topstep account right now. I kind of blew that one, but I'm gonna wait to get another one to see whether or not I'm one of those people that get Topstep X. I mean, I'm not sure how many, various ways I can remind you, Hassan. There was a big event thing on the Discord. I was sending out 2 reminders a day on social media. I got big shoulders. So I've now had accounts with, I want to say 10 of the big 13. Top Step, Bulenox, Apex, My Funded Futures, Blue Sky, E2T, Elite Trader Funding, Tick Tick Trader, Liu. So I think it's 9. I think the only ones I haven't had accounts with now is Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, you Profit. Hey, 2 ticks is better than no ticks unless you're a dog. Oh, what's wrong with their payment system? Huh. I wonder why. Yeah, there's a bunch of places don't take Discover. Not sure why. Huh. You don't have any problem on other props though? Huh. Weird. We're short. Off that purple candle, it came back down. Let's see. We're just going for 5. Actually, we might not even go for 5. We're in at 7.5. We're gonna go for 420. The low there. I can find it. There we go. Let's try to get back to our last loss. Back down to that 804.25. Wow. Come on, just break on down a little further. That's my baby. It's kind of hard to see there. There, that's better for you. Upper left hand corner. Just looking for a small win here. Let's see if we can get it. Got within a tick of my target twice. There we go. Target hit. $60 trade. Got back to $60. We lost on the last one. 15 minutes till the bell. Right. The eval has to be done on their sim account. And then once you pass their sim account, their eval, then you get put onto a funded account. Hassan? Well, I mean, it already has like 1,000 entries, but at least there's 5 winners on that one. Once again, CFT is giving away 5 take profit trader accounts. I think I would have kept the link open, you know? If you want to enter the take profit trader giveaway from CFT, here's the link. Yeah, I can't even figure out how to rig mine, more or less rig somebody else's. I don't think he's planning on doing an eval. I think he's just asking questions. Yeah, basically, you know, each company has different rules and stuff, but basically, reach your profit target without hitting your drawdown is the #1 rule. And yeah, you got to do it on there. You can't like say, "Hey, I've been trading on my own account. Will you fund me?" You got to do it through their eval. %83 just went live on Bulenox. 83%. So my video this morning was wrong. I thought it'd be 81. He's I mean honestly a great trader. I mean, gotta remember that the futures traders that trade their own accounts get tax breaks. Futures trading is taxed at, I believe it's 60% short-term capital gains, 40% long-term capital gains, versus the 1099 income that everybody besides earn to trade gives. So between that and giving up X amount in the profit split, you got to consider that. We're breaking down 9 minutes till the bell. Not able to get through 800. Well, 805. It's using the overnight high as support. I like the idea of being able to, eventually, if I ever do get a consistent level like Ace, will be to spread my risk off on 20 Apex accounts, where if I take one 10-point winner on the NQ, that could be $4,000 at the 20 Apex accounts. That's what I like without risking much. If I lose, then it's only I lose $200 per account, versus being going 20 contracts on one account, and you take a $4,000 loss, it can be devastating. So, but I mean, what CFT's doing now is very attractive. He's trading 100 accounts of things at times. So 100 accounts, sorry, 100 contracts, not 100 accounts, 100 contracts of things. So you know, different strokes for different folks. But that's a long ways away. I need to get a couple. I need to finally get to pay out on something, and then actually worry about it then. I mean, as sad as it is, if I could just average $150 a day of withdrawable earnings profit, that would totally change my life. Get rid of all my debt, and I could start pushing forward and such. Ooh, break of 18,000 back under now. Quick burst down here. So, I set up here, it looked like it wanted to break down, and obviously it has. And I know you do, Ace, and I appreciate the support I've got from this community overall, not just the calls and trading, but just emotional and just the support all over has been amazing. Well, right now I'm still doing evals. I mean, I do have a funded account on the, 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 Apex, but if it's still there, I want to get at least one more funded account. That's been my goal because I feel like I'm too nervous with the Apex because it's the only funded account, and I'm so afraid of blowing it that I'm not making the right decisions there. So I want at least one more funded account so I can say, well, now I got two, I can be a little bit more whatever. I'm not right now. Everything I'm still trading on stream has been evals. Yeah, like right now I'm up 200. So and that's the other thing. If I can have two accounts, that's really the goal. I'm up 172 after commissions. Um, get to 200 on one account or 150, whatever. X number, and then switch on to another account. Yeah, I like being able to have multiple props as well because I am trying to evaluate props as part of my channel. So it's good to actually have accounts so I can actually evaluate. We're 3 for 4 this morning, up 172. So right now the Apex account is sitting, I think it's down like $500, which isn't bad. Still have about $2,000 in drawdown there, so I should start working it. This is some weird looking price action right now if you look at the 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart. The other thing is though, yeah, I say 150 profit, withdrawable profit, but you can't really withdraw at all. You got to leave some in. So you don't want to take, at least you need to get above a certain level. Then you can withdraw it all as long as you're staying above that certain level. So, with Apex, you need to kind of get to $3,000 profit before you can really consider withdrawing. True. Popping back up here now. As they said, we are now less than 2 minutes away. We're almost 1 minute away. We're about to ding. Ding, dong, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Interesting little pop up here right before the bell. Everything was sad there for a while. Russell's crying still. Gold's really down. Crude's down. Wow, solid 15.5-minute candle here right before the bell. Oh, yep, still pushing up now. Our overnight high, 18,028. RJ's late. Oh, there's RJ. All right, RJ's not late. Forget I said that. I just didn't see him pop in. There's a break of the overnight high. Remember our high from Friday was 144.75. So still a ways to go, over 100 points to get there. How you doing, RJ? How was the weekend? I didn't see you sneak in the back door. Wow, let's go. Up, up to 0.50 and pulling back. Big pullback. Back down to 27. Coming down. So thought about taking that purple candle. I didn't. Let's see. Gold's still falling. Wow, look at the wick on that 5-minute candle. Russell's heading upwards. Dow, big move up, 40 points. ES moving up. All right. Life is a battleground. ES looking real positive here. NQ's unsure. Dow's pulling back a little bit. NQ getting pushed back down. ES looking really good right now. Something's keeping NQ down. That was a mistake on my part. So we might break that 30 going up to back up to the highs. There's that 45 area that RJ was talking about. Well, maybe it was a mistake. Back up there. I'm in at 32 quarter. Let's see what it wants to do. You see ES is pausing a little bit. So is the Dow. Yep. Does not look like it wants to break up, and it's going to stop me out right about now. Yeah. Dumb move on my part. Okie dokie. I will remember that. Yep, we're just kind of hanging here right now. We're stagnant. Dow's not stagnant. Dow's running. Gold's flopping. New low day on gold by a bunch. We do have news at the top of the hour. New home sales units. We are just choppy all of a sudden on NQ, totally choppy. And now we're breaking to the downside. Try to break down back below 18,000. Before the bell, 5 minutes before the bell, we got down to 17,995. And it burst up from there. Overall low of the overnight, all the way down at 922. You can see it popped up and came back down, and so 920, 929. That's not even that different. So 920's area, I guess, would be the support area. Big old purple candle there on the 5. That was a 33-point candle. As we do break 18,000. Bounces back up. But right back down. Flirting with purple. It's a purple flirter. That sounded weird. Sounded better in my head. Not really. CVR, good morning. Sorry, I missed you. Did not mean to ignore you. How are you doing? Don't worry, I missed RJ earlier too. Ooh, boom. So I took this trade in my Bulenox account, 5 micros. Hold on. I'll see if I can get the software to show my Ninja chart. We'll just do it this way. I entered at 984 of 5 micros, out at 971 for a 13.25 point win. So 13, it's 267, $130 win there on the Bulenox account. So now we're down to our low's 966. So this move, overnight low again was 922. Thanks, JC. Wish I'd taken that on the blue sky, but that's okay. I wish I'd taken that on a regular size contract, but that's okay. Now we're bouncing up. Pay attention. Missed the bounce back up. Yeah, RJ, that's something else I want to talk to you about then. See if I can get you involved in a project that I would like to start for the Discord, and anybody else too, not just RJ, but RJ was the first one that came to my mind. I want to start a thing in the Discord where people post, like, whether it's one a day or one a week, but both winners and their losers, showing like a screenshot of the trade and explaining why you got in, why you took profit where you did, and if it, but also show losers. And so we're showing both sides. Also again, why you got in there and why the trade didn't work. Was it something, just it didn't work out, or you didn't follow your rule, or something like that? I want to start making the Discord more educational, as well as just people showing their profits and all that. And good to see you, Nick. Haven't seen you in a little while. Glad to see you. I'd love to see everybody do that, but obviously, I know some people aren't comfortable with that. But if we can get a little group going, I think it'll snowball. Right. Yeah. Explain why you got in, or yeah, that's even a good idea. Even if there's something where you normally would get in and you didn't. That's not taking a trade as a trade, as Ace always says. But yeah, just whether it's once a day or once a week, posting it. I'm gonna change the show your winners to show your trades, and we can start doing that there. I really want more trading stuff on MightyOxTrading versus the just all the prop firm stuff. I mean, I still want to be a resource for all the prop firm stuff, but I also want to be a resource for traders trading as well. Real easy. Hold on. I can even show you since we're kind of rangy right now. Let me get out of the. So, scene, here we go. So, RJ, this is Discord, of course. Down here where you type, just hit this, the plus button, upload a file. That's all you need to do. Yeah, yeah. Nick's right. You can copy and paste as well. Alan Doms, I just noticed you subscribed like a half hour ago. Welcome to the stream. Feel free to, if you're still here, feel free to say hello. We welcome you. NQ's curling back up here. Ah, there's Alan. Welcome. Nice to have you. We've actually, our numbers have increased and subscribers about 20 or so in the last week, week and a half. We are only 30 subscribers away from 2,000. Are you new to futures, Alan? Or new to trading, I guess I should say? Either way. Russell's really happy today. The asset. I don't actually know anyone named Russell. NQ's indecisive. Crude oil. Maybe making a new high. Yep, new high on crude for the day. And we're coming back down. Kind of missed that purple there. It's okay. Purple, nurple. It wasn't a valid anyway. As I said to the other new person earlier, I ask questions of new people, but you can totally ignore me or tell me to shut up or mind my own business. Um, JC, do you know how easy it is to take a screenshot? Are you on Windows? Windows Windows button Shift S. But if you're not comfortable with the screenshot, that's fine as well. But taking a screenshot is really easy. But whatever you're comfortable with, I just want people to do what they're comfortable with. That's why, when I said daily or weekly, I mean, some people, they don't like to spend too much time on like Discord or social media in general. And so I'm happy with whatever people want to do. I just want it to be a resource for everybody. I mean, new traders and old traders alike. Uh, JC, when I was saying a screenshot of a trade, I meant something like, here, hold on a minute. Let me switch this over to NQ on the 1 minute. So, I meant of like, oh wait, you don't use a chart there. You use a DOM, right? That's right. I don't. Okay, so when I think screenshot of a trade, I think it's the chart and where you shows where you entered and exited and why you entered there. But you use a DOM, so that would not be as easy. So, yee. Uh, just do it how you don't need to do the screenshot if you don't want to. Just do it however best you think it works for you. I forgot that Dom would not be as easy to show unless there's. I don't know if you can go back and see a Dom in back testing where it was, but you can just talk about whatever. I'm here babbling, so I'm going to stop babbling. Whatever you think is best, JC, for how you trade and how you want to explain it. Whatever works for you. Screenshot, no screenshot, write it out, whatever. However it works for you. I'm happy with. Totally forgot DOMs exist. CFT would be so upset with me. Ooh, Whippy. Oh yeah, we had news at 9 o'clock. Oops. Totally forgot about that as I was babbling. Luckily, I wasn't in a trade. Hopefully, none of you were as well, because I usually warn people about news. U.S. new home sales actual 0.661 million. Forecast was 0.684 million. So a bit of a miss. So it got down to 966 here. We're playing around 972 right now, trying to break that low. Can it break on through to the other side? I feel like I'm talking fast and loud today. If I am, I apologize. Let me try and calm it down. I haven't had any extra caffeine or anything. So it could knock that down to that 68 or 66, sorry. Popping back up. Russell's pulling back now. Dow's pulling back. It's a big move down on the Dow there, 22 points. And Q is just totally indecisive of where it wants to go in its life. Understand that. Well, we're waiting to see what everything wants to do. If you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you would gore that like button. Also, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on that bell notification so you can get notified whenever I go live or post a video. But goring the like button would really be appreciated. Back up, blue candle, bounce. So how about I change the title of the channel in the Discord from "Show Your Winners" to "Explain Your Trades"? Do you think that would be a good title for that room or that channel, I should say? I ask everybody's opinion because while this community has my name on it, or well, my name's really not Mighty Ox, but it's my brand. I I consider it everybody's community. Winners, losers. Okay. Struggling here at 18,000, trying to break back above, but it can't. It won't. It will. It might. Yeah, I can always change it again, or we can even make additional channels if there's something else we want to do or whatever. Discord's a fluid thing, and so just winners, losers, or show your winners, losers, winners slash losers. Everything in that channel right now is like no one's posted there since November, and before that, no one posted since like June. So I may just like totally wipe out what's already in that channel. Okay, I can do that. I can make that change. We're popping back up here. Good morning, T.O. Ultra Bond really fallen. Hey, Tio, whenever you get a chance, can you check the DM I sent you on Discord? Nothing, life altering or anything. Just whenever you have a chance. Still hanging here with choppy. He said it might be a choppy Monday because no real news catalysts. Ultra Bond, you can see, has now broken through its lows of the overnight, continuing to push down. Pulls back. Kind of boring right this second. Blue candle though there on the run. I missed this blue candle. How did I miss that blue candle? Well, I don't know, but okay. Hanging around 1805, which was the high of the Europe session before we hit the high of the pre-market. I don't know. I missed my entry anyway. Duh. But if you look here, we broke through here at about a little after 8, but this was our high during the Europe session and 18,005, and that's where it was just struggling. It made it through now. Ooh, really? We had that pullback, recent high, 18,015, but that's right around that area that RJ said don't want to mess with too much. Which way does it want to go? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. For those of you that are new, I do occasionally break in the song. I apologize ahead of time. uh, you want me to go into some sort of love song ballad? Trying to get back above this 815 area that it struggled at a few times now. The room's gotten real quiet. Everybody's hunting points. Be wary, wary quiet. I'm hunting points. That's a horrible Elmer Fudd. Up to 18,020. $24, $25, pulls back a little bit. 5-minute candle, that being 27 points. It's a nice rise up. Pulls back. I took a quick scalp on the Bulenox account there. 17 to 24 on 3 micros. Nothing to write home about, but another win. Not that you will write home about my trading, dear mom and dad. I watched an ox trade today. Please send more of the good drugs. Sincerely, your son. Still heading up. Big pullback there. Got up to 25, pulled back down to 14, and now back up to 29. I should have been ready to go long there on that blue, and I wasn't. Because that was my set. That's a great setup with the micro pullback and then right back up. I like that. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Ooh, sorry, didn't mean to hit the mic. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. Ultra Bond's still bleeding out. Coming up in 6 minutes or so, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index report comes out. I don't think that rocks the market, but be careful just in case. A6. Payroll companies, you mean like Deal used to be or whatever? Is that what you mean? Uh, I mean, I only know of the ones that the prop firms themselves use, like RiseWorks and Gusto. RiseWorks seems to be the most used, but Blue Sky's using Gusto, and that's working pretty well for them. I mean, I Blue Sky seems to like them, and they Blue Sky pays me through them for the affiliate program, and I don't even have to do anything. It just sends it right to my bank account. Nice pop up here, going for high a day, going toward 0.50. Here, here's the link for Gusto. They actually have a referral program, and if you sign up, you get $100. Don't know how it works. Don't I have a uh, obviously just an account where I get paid, not that I distribute myself a salary. So you can check it out for yourself to see if it meets what your needs are. Oh, that's right. You did mention that 45 battleground. We got up to 41 again, pulled back to 30. ES is all choppy too. Dow less choppy, had a nice move up, nice move down. Now it's got to decide which way it wants to go. Same with the Russell. Meanwhile, the Ultra Bond just keeps bleeding out. Someone needs to get it a transfusion. Gold's heading down. Oh, Bitcoin blew up about $1,000. Yeah, I'll get that fixed up. I think they voted on share your winners slash losers. I think is what we're going to go with. Thank you for doing that, Nick. Yeah, and I just saw your post about posting after hours. Yeah, post anytime you want. I expect most people to, wait until they're done trading, not just quickly run and interrupt their trading. I will probably also post mine like, after session's done or whatever, because I'm always doing like 10,000 things at once. So we did move back. Great call on by RJ about that 45 battle zone. Got up to 41 and could not get further. Ooh, again, I hit the mic. Since I got this headset, I seem to hit the mic more often, and I don't know why. That news really didn't do. I mean, it's popping up a little bit, but news really didn't rock our socks. Crude oil still grinding up. Gold's trying to bounce but failing. Hanging here back at this 820, 18020 area. We were here before. You see, let's go to the 1 minute chart. See where we're at here? Look at this is where we were battling before. It finally it came down, tried, failed, probably broke down. Now it's trying again. And we're popping up though. It's a nice bounce off of like every line possible. VWAP was down there, 100 EMA. Try to break through. RJ, so if it breaks through this 45 or the 50, which was our high, 18050, where do you think it can go? Another feature we've just recently added to the Discord, the Financial Juice news feed is now coming on the Discord. They they sent out an email a couple of weeks ago, and I finally remembered to answer it, saying if anyone wants their news feed on their Discord, just let them know. So we now have a channel for the Financial Juice news feed. All right, RJ. Back up to 38, pulls back again. We will be streaming tonight for an Asia session, 7 p.m. Eastern time for 2 hours or so. Lots going on in the prop world this week as well. The 80% Apex and the 83% Bulenox sales run through at least the end of tomorrow. I believe that's it. We have Topstep giving away 1,000 Topstep X accounts. I'm not giving away, offering it for $4.50 an account. And they're going to be doing that for 1,000 accounts both Tuesday and Thursday. So if you didn't win the first time, you get another chance. And apparently, anyone that won the first time and anyone that's already had an option to buy Top Step X at $4.50 will not be eligible. So the chances of winning over this week, if you sign up, have gotten even better. Of course, you have my giveaway being announced, the winner being announced Thursday for that Blue Sky static account. If you haven't signed up, check the Nightbot link. It's been posted here a few times. Giveaway alert for that Blue Sky Static Growth Plus account, the best static in the business. Their new account type. And on Friday, you have CFT announcing his giveaway winners for the five take profit trader accounts, the 150K accounts. So lots going on. Take Profit Trader also announced a new program, a rewards program. I have not checked it out yet. You receive reward points for every single purchase you make. Plus, you also receive points for hitting specific achievements like passing an evaluation or making a withdrawal. With your points, you can claim free Eval accounts, resets, and even pro accounts. You see a new rewards tab in your dashboard. So I'll be checking this out, and I might be doing a video on this. We'll have to check that out. That sounds pretty interesting. Oh, if you haven't seen it, Apex now has uh, merch you can buy with their logo, and they even went a little weird on it. To the point that they have biker shorts and sports bras with the Apex logo. You know, I've heard that in the past. I just can't imagine people wanting Mighty Ox Trading merchandise. Then again, I could be wrong. I'll have to see what it takes to get a merch store done. I am not sure. I mean, obviously, I've seen other people do it, so I know it must be pretty easy. But don't know. I will try to figure that out. Hey, Luis, how you doing? Is it Luis or Lewis? Am I pronouncing your name wrong? Yeah, Mr. Sanchez there accidentally found his way to Trades by Matt, and I reminded him I'm live as well, so now he's here. Okay. Sorry I was pronouncing your name wrong. I would call you LSD, but then people would be like, what the heck? Thank you. Still kind of. Yes, that's a technical trading term. Hanging out these 1833s. Uh, cat running on your keyboard, Tio, or are you having a stroke? Uh, so I just put on the to-do list. Well, I'm lying. I need to bring up the to-do list. So I just put on the to-do list to research how to start a merch store. "15 minutes to go in the stream." It's trying to make that run again. Back up to 37. Remember, RJ earlier in the day called 45 as a battleground. We've seen it come up to 41, 40, 40 again here. Our high was 50. Struggling back down to 33. Well, the wall come tumbling down. It's tried a few times. Yep, still not breaking through. That is a wall built well. So it looks like we're going to end the stream of the Whimper. We've got a bunch of trades early in the morning and then not much after. Who all's going to join me this evening for our evening stream? Fairly Green is still good, though. It's just not. That's just not a phrase you normally see someone type. I don't know why that gave me the giggles, but I knew something was coming. It's a shame Ace isn't here because I would have loved to see his reply to that. Ace keeps leaving without saying goodbye. It's starting to hurt my feelings. If anyone's trading into the afternoon today, there are bond stuffs going on, and that can sometimes move the market, even NQ and stuff. Bid to covers. I don't understand what all that stuff is. I'll have to look it up sometime. Bond auctions or something like that. So just be aware of that. There's actually a minefield of them. Well, not a minefield, but there's some happening at 11:30 and there's some happening at 1. And sometimes it can cause NQ to like move like 20, 30 points in a minute. So just be aware of that. It's trying again. Look at that 5-minute chart. Boop, 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 boop. 50, 34, 40, 37, 40, 37. What do you mean? Making it about you, Ace? We miss you. Oh, I get you. No, okay, I misread that. No, 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 no. I know you don't want to make it about you. I didn't. Yeah, it wasn't a. It wasn't anything bad. I didn't mean anything bad by it, Ace. Just we like knowing when you're here. Well, John, good job trading this chop. The algo obviously is not good at trading the chop. Yeah, Ace, I thought you would have some sort of comment first about Sid's last message. Yeah, that's what I did the best early on, and then I gave it back. Although I'm up on the Bulenox account. The Bulenox account's up $119. Actually, 103 after commission. Looks like crude was the real winner for today. Look at this. This is right when we started the stream. We're 76.17 and it's up to 77.04. Yeah, I mean, that's not that big. I mean, it's a point almost, but looks like more than it is. So we're just about ready to wrap up. Last hour here was boring, mowing. But that's how trading is sometimes. Remember, no trade is a trade sometimes. Okay, we have reached the top of the hour. I want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope you all join me tonight, or whoever wants to join me tonight. I'll be there, 7 p.m. Eastern. If not, back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. Have a great, yeah. That Russell is also a big winner today. It was wonderful. And the Dow did a decent job today as well, but NQ just Have a great rest of your day, folks. We'll see you on the Discord or tonight or tomorrow or whenever. We'll see you. We'll see you. Have a great one. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.